Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. I hope you're having a great day and it's super hot outside, but that's okay because in a few months, fall will be around the corner. Before we get started on today's lesson, instead of doing our roller coaster breathing or our balloon breathing, we're just going to start off with a hang loose. Let's have a great day. So everyone, please do a hang loose sign. Put a smile on. Remember our posture, shoulders back. And let's have a great day and a good activity. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, guys, we can do hard things. Instead of clicking on the speaker, I will go ahead and read you our what, how, and why. So what are we doing today? We're completing your All About Me presentation. Make sure you're creative. How are we going to do that? You're going to follow the directions on each slide to tell us a little about yourself. Fill in the text boxes on slides 2 through 4. Today, you don't have any pictures you have to insert, or you don't have a graph that you have to move the cursor. It's just text boxes, so we should be getting better at those. Remember, if you're not great at those, that's okay. We're all unique, and we will be getting better by the day. Why are we doing this? Because I love to get to know all of my scholars because you are amazing, and this is the start of our second grade BTW family. And this is the sign for love or a heart. I love you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, slide number 2. Today you only have 3 slides to complete instead of 4. My apologies. Yesterday and Tuesday you had 4. Today you only have 3 because it's the end of the week and I know it's the first week of school. And you know, Miss Winston's tired and I know all you guys are probably pretty tired, but I'm so happy that we're back in it and that we're having a great week. All right, so this slide says my social goals. So you're gonna go to question number 1 and you're gonna type in a goal in the text box provided. Oops, Miss Swinson deleted it again. No worries. Hover over the T. Click the T, insert the text box, move it up. All right, so what is one social goal Miss Swinson wants to have? So we first have to know what the word social means. So social means I'm in a setting with other people, not just myself. So for instance, my peers. My peers are my friends. So one social goal I would like to have for the school year is I would like to meet new friends, right? And I know right now that's kind of hard because we're online, but hopefully sooner than later we'll be back and better than ever. So I'm highlighting what I typed, I would like to meet new friends, because I'm going to make it larger with the plus sign and I'm going to bold it. When do I want to do that? Do I want to make new friends by the end of the year? Do I want to make new friends in 1 month? Do I want to make new friends by Thanksgiving? Actually, I would like to make new friends any day and every day. So my goal would be every day I would like to make new friends. What's another social goal? Remember where it says type here, click. The text box is there for you. Just backspace on the typing. What's another good social goal Miss Swinson could have? Let me make sure I'm really reflecting and thinking about it. I got it. I would like to be kind to others every day. And remember, it wraps the text and you can keep it like that. That's okay. Or you can come over here to the middle and drag it, just like the graph activity. There we go. That's how I like it. I would like to be kind to others every day. So even on the days that I might be not having a good day, I'm still going to do my best to be kind because I think that's important. And I already put in there when I want that to happen. So just like goal 1, when do I want that to happen? Click on the text box. What do you guys think? When do I want that to happen? Every day. You got it. So we're going to type every day. And then you have to do goal number 3. Remember, Miss Winston only has 15 minutes in these videos, so I'm not going to type in a goal for number 3, but you definitely do, and you have to type a reflection. You can pick your favorite goal, you can combine all the goals and reflect. Why did I pick these social goals? Okay, so let's move on to slide number 3. And I do want the speaker to read it to me on this slide, so I'm going to click my little speaker. It's actually really large. And press play. Kindness is contagious. Kind people are definitely my kind of people. On the left-hand side, make a list of kind behaviors. On the right-hand side, make a list of unkind behaviors. At the bottom of the page, write, what should I do when people are unkind? All right, so kindness is contagious. Just like the recording says, it says make a list of the type of behaviors on the left-hand side that are kind. So I'm going to take all this out and make a list of kind behaviors. So what is a trait of kind behavior? I think that means they're friendly. They want to be my friend. And I'm going to press space. What else? They're nice. I think people that are kind are very helpful. And you can keep going if you would like, or you could stop at 3. I'm okay with that. And then on the right-hand side, just like the left-hand side, you're going to backspace all of the words and list unkind behaviors. So that's someone who could be angry. When someone's angry, they're probably not being kind. Or someone that is shouting at you. Shouting's not nice or kind at all. I'm just going to put 2 for that one, and I'm going to click off. Remember, put 5, 10, 7, however many you'd like. And then I go down to the bottom, and it says, what should I do when people are unkind? I want to hear from you. I'm actually not going to type anything on the text box provided because I want to hear from you. What should you do if someone is unkind to you? Okay, once you have that filled out, you're going to move on to slide number 4. All right, slide number 4. Again, I want it to read it to me, so I'm going to click on the speaker. My future. I want to be a... Why do you want to be that? I want to live in blank city because at the bottom, I'm going to make the world a better place by... All right, so this is all about my future. So over here, I click where it says type here, like always, and I'm going to backspace. And it says I want to be a, well, I already grew up and I am a teacher, but, you know, I've always wanted to be a fashion designer, so I'm going to type fashion designer because I love clothes, I love fashion. I love colorful things. And why do I do that? Well, I just explained that to you guys. I love clothes. I love colors. Why else? I don't know how to sew, but I would love to learn how to sew and make clothes. And that's why I want to be a fashion designer. And I can leave my text box like this, that's perfectly fine, but just for my sake, I like to drag over and make it fit. Okay? And then I'm going to pick a city I want to live. So I actually just moved back to Elgin. I'm from Elgin and I lived here all my life. And then last year I moved to Austin. And Austin was great, but I'm super happy to be back in Elgin. So I'm not driving a long way to work. But what city would I really like to live in? I think I would really like to live in, oops, I deleted the text box, no worries. Hover over the T, draw it out. Okay, I would like to live in Denver. Actually, not Denver, Colorado. Even though I love Colorado, I would like to live in San Francisco. See, what's cool is Miss Swinson didn't know how to spell San Francisco, and it draws a line under it, and you just right click and it has an auto-populated word. San Francisco, there we go. California. And that's kind of small, so I'm going to highlight again. Bold. Make it larger. Drag it over so I can see. There we go. And why do I want to live in San Francisco, California? Because the reason I was going to pick Colorado is because there's mountains and they have all 4 seasons. It snows in the winter, and in autumn, fall, the leaves are beautiful, and you have a spring and a summer. But I chose San Francisco, California because the weather is beautiful year-round and they have beaches. And if you remember from the activity, I believe it was on Tuesday, Miss Swinson didn't go on vacation, but her favorite place to go on vacation is the beach. So that's why I'm picking San Francisco, California, because there is a beach all along the coast of California that I could drive to and get to. So I'm going to say it has beautiful, I misspelled beautiful, and that's okay. We're in 2nd grade, learning how to spell. There we go. It has beautiful weather year around. So that means the weather is beautiful in March and December. It's about similar. Maybe in December it's a little cooler, but it's so nice. So it has beautiful weather year round. It also has a coastline. So a coastline, all that means they have the ocean right there. Beaches everywhere. So I think that looks great. So I would like to be a fashion designer because I love clothes. I love colors. I would love to learn how to sew and make clothes. And I want to live in San Francisco, California because it has beautiful weather year round and it also has a coastline. So lastly, type here, I'm going to make this world a better place. And what did Miss Swinson do? Deleted her text box again. Hovering over the T, pulling it down. There we go. Why am I going to make the world a better place? My words aren't coming out today. That's okay. I think I'm going to make the world a better place. I will make the world a better place because I am going to be kind. I am going to smile at people. Lastly, I will do my best. And that's how I'm going to make the world a better place. I highlighted it all. I'm going to bold it, put it up all the way with that plus sign, move it up, and I think that looks good. So Miss Swinson's going to make the world a better place because I'm going to be kind, I'm going to smile at people, and lastly, I'm going to do my best. So guys, today's Thursday, it's August 27th, like I stated at the beginning of the video. We did our little hang loose signs, and you know I love you. Complete all these slides, please. Please come to virtual office hours starting at 7:35 to 7:50, or that's actually not office hours, so that's the virtual class meeting, 7:35 to 7:50, or virtual office hours start at 2:20, okay? I want to see your beautiful faces, and I want you to have the best day. Take care.